Yo, what's going on? Trade recap. Let me show y'all what I did and the steps I took to winning this trade. I took my trade on GBPJPY, GJ Forex trade today. We had hella news for the Japanese yen. All this bullshit I don't know nothing about. That was today. So GJ was pretty volatile until market open for ES and Nasdaq. But yeah, let me show y'all my Forex strategy. I just remove all of this so y'all can see. So my Forex strategy is based off previous session highs and previous session lows. Got that from TJR. I also use his index strategy. But yeah, so I mark out, this is Asian session, the first one, 0-0. This is London session, 8-0. And New York session is 1300. I'm on London time, so yeah, my times are gonna be different for y'all unless y'all got y'all's on London time too. But yeah, like I said, scale into the 30-minute, and we mark out our previous session highs and lows. So what do we see? If this is New York session, then that means this is London session. This is a previous session, and this is London session's high. Boom, right there. That's London session's high. Now where's London session's low? You see? Whoa, I said ho. Where is London session low? London session opens right here. Boom, the low is right here, and it's always going to be the lowest low and the lowest high. Guess we go ahead and put it down right here, because technically this is a low and it pushed past it. We'll put it down right here. So yeah, we marked out London session low and London session highs. Now we wait for New York session to open, and we wait for it to either go up into this London session high or go to this London session low. Now, as you can see, when market open, when New York session open on GJ, what do? We got an up candle. Well, we got a down candle into market session open, and then we closed bear or bullish. But we came back down, came into this London session low. So I'm scaling into the 1 minute. And then you see market opens, boom, we get a tab. We inversed, came back up, swept out liquidity. Or not, I guess we didn't sweep, we just broke structure. But yeah, so we mark out our session lows and highs. We wait for price to push into those lows and highs, and then we scale into the 5 minute. Now, what do we do on the 5 minute? We look for disrespect. We look for well, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to say. If it's bullish, like if it taps into a low, we're looking for disrespections. Oh my goodness, we're looking for bearish confluences to get disrespected. There we go. Yeah. So boom. Get an inversion. And then we also see a break of structure. But this break of structure was too high. I did see that. So I wanted this fair value gap to get filled right here. And it also is in line with the bearish fair value gap. But as you can see, we did get it to get filled, but we didn't get a bullish candle out. So I'm waiting again. And what do I see? See this break of structure right here. So I took my long at that break of structure. You're probably asking why I didn't wait for fair value gap to get filled. So typically when we tap into a previous session high or a previous session low, I'm looking for a break of structure. If the break of structure is all the way up here, like right here, I'm gonna be looking for a third confluence to get filled, because that risk to reward is crazy. That's not even a 1-to-1. So if this fair value gap would have gotten filled, I would have entered in long right here prior to the break of structure. But since the break of structure was all the way up here, I didn't enter, because it would have gave me a negative risk to reward. But since we got a better fill of this break of structure all the way down here, I took my long stops under previous session, London session low. First take profit were these 5 minute highs. As you can see, that got hit. So that was a 1-to-1. Okay, it was a 1-to-8 or 1-to-9.8. So basically a 1-to-1. My second take profit was at the start of this London session high, because that's my strategy. Trade into London session lows and highs. Target London session lows and highs. And my final take profit was at the end of the high. So this is my trade. It was for a 1 to 1.8 risk to reward. As you can see, when I entered long, we got legs up. It was chopping around for a little bit, and then my take profit finally got hit. So I moved my stops to break even, and then we got stopped out at break even. So yeah, but overall, still a winning trade today. And yeah, that is the one and only trade I took. It was on Forex today, GBP JPY. And yeah, that's my Forex strategy for you. I ain't gonna lie. On ES or NASDAQ, I didn't end up taking a trade because Trump was speaking today, and price was fucking choppy. This would have been the trade I would have taken if price wasn't so choppy. We had came up, swept out hourly highs, made a bearish SMT, all that. So this was just a perfect setup all the way down to London session lows, but price was chopping around and shit. And then, Trump started to talk. But yeah, that's the trade recap for you guys today.